Hey guys, Jamie with Mountains River Sea. Gonna just demo this Wilderness Systems Aspire 10.5. It's a really great high performance wreck boat, 10.5 feet, 48 pounds, and a weight capacity of 400. That's one of the higher weight capacities I've seen. Makes it great for larger paddlers, also for storing a lot of gear. If you're going to try to camp from it or anything like that, you're going to have a lot higher capacity for all your camping gear. It's got this very nice dry storage in the back. You can see there's a bulkhead right there, and then this nice latch system. You just open that like that, pop that open. There's your dry storage, and then you close that back down. It's got nice carry handles on the front and the back. It's got a very, very nice adjustable seating system. This is probably one of the nicer seating systems of the boats we have demoed. And then it's got the knee pads on the sides for comfort. And then it's got a little handle, a string to pull here for the drop down skeg. One of the things makes it just very versatile, very functional. You can take it on easy whitewater rivers, or you can do a long paddle on the lake, dropping that skeg down. You're going to track really, really well. So it's a very, very versatile, high performance boat, and I'm going to demo this boat on the pond for you just to show you how it tracks and turns. Alright guys, let's just see how stable this boat is and also how it tracks. We already took this down the river, and I can tell you it was very, very stable. I tried to get it to turn when we were in the river, and I really couldn't make it go. So, I mean, this is a very, very stable boat, and my stepson, who is 6'3", at least 250, he was in it and loved it, and it did great for him and even took him through some easy whitewater rapids. So it did not turn over for him either. So I'm gonna track down without the skeg, and then I'm going to track back, dropping the skeg down, which you just do right here, pulling the string. You pull it and cinch it in that cleat when you want it up. You'll be able to turn better. And then when you're ready to drop that skeg, you pull it and let that string, you pull it out of the cleat and let that string drop all the way down. Now the skeg's deployed. You're going to track a lot better. So let's just see how it does without it first. I'm going to drop that skeg down. So, I mean, that tracks almost perfect with the skeg down. Tracked pretty good without it as well. So pretty nice, versatile little boat. Wilderness Systems Aspire 10.5. I really like this boat. I highly recommend it. Thanks for watching. And then you're going to kind of use your thighs to support that edge, and that way you can have it up. You need it to be shoulder height.